Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to be unboxing my medicinal foot spa with you guys. So I bought it a few weeks ago, so I thought I should share with you guys to unbox it with you guys. So that is basically what I am going to be doing today. As you can see, I just bring it out from the box. So if you want to see how I unbox it, please stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, this is the box. I'm going to open it now. Medicinal foot spa. I've been looking for this foot spa for a very long time now, so I finally found it when I went out for shopping the last time a few weeks ago. So I bought it and I said, okay, let me come and unbox it with you guys. Guys, this foot spa is everything, is really everything, guys. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching how I unbox everything. So guys, I just bring it out from the box now, and here is the extra brush and the stone they put with it, and then the directions for it as well. So guys, there are different reasons that I love this foot spa. The first one is the button, the one that I'm turning right now, and then the brush in the middle where you can still brush your foot as well, and then the red button at the bottom. And also inside, I love it in a way that the way inside looks is it will massage when your foot are inside. It will massage your foot very well. And in the directions, they said, I just want to quickly read some important part for you guys. In the directions, they said device and control. They said that function button off, massage and red light, bubble and heat. Wow. And it can also do bubble and also heat your foot, bubble and massage and heat and red light. I really love this foot spa in the fact that it has almost everything that I'm looking for in this foot spa, and also it has a power supply as well. So everything about this foot spa, I love it. So I thought I should come and share with you guys what I bought from the store a few weeks ago. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and please, if you love this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section, what you guys think about this foot spa. For me, I love it. I really love it. So I'm going to be doing a separate video on it, on how I make use of it. I'm going to show you guys how I use the foot spa, but before then, I would think I need to stop here. Please, if this is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Patient, known as Iyawo Ola. On this channel, I do a whole lot of beautiful stuff. I do cooking recipe, makeup tutorial, motivational cleaning. I also also do pranks, I also do reaction videos, I also do braids, I do lifestyle, I vlogs as well. So if you find my channel interesting and if you find my channel interesting and you fit into any of these categories, please consider subscribing, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified whenever I upload a video. And to my old subscribers that keep coming back to my channel, thank you all so much. You guys are the real MVP. Yes guys, you heard me, you are the real MVP. So thank you to my old and new subscribers for keep supporting me and showing me love on my channel. I really appreciate you all. May God bless you all for me. Amen. So guys, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, remain blessed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know your thought about this video. It is very important. Let me know your thought about this video in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking the subscribe button and also turn on your bell notification. Thank you all so much for your amazing support. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, remain blessed. I love you all. Bye.